Hey guys, this is Swayam and I welcome you to Cuisine. This time I'm back with an amazing starter recipe which needs no introduction. Basically, this is one of the most loved starter recipe, chicken Malai Tikka. Let's take a quick look at the recipe. First, we'll prepare the marinade. For this, I've added here some thick curd. Next goes in fresh cream. Give that a good mix. Next to this, add ginger garlic paste, garam masala, black pepper powder, salt as per your taste, and some cinnamon powder. You can also make use of the cardamom powder. Now take some dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, crush it between your palms and add it to the marinade. Mix it well. Take some boneless chicken pieces, add it to the marinade, mix it well and keep it aside for 1 hour. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes. Here I have lined a baking tray with aluminium sheet, and as you can see, I have soaked the wooden skewers in water. This step will prevent the skewer from getting burnt. Next, we'll arrange the marinated chicken pieces one by one onto the skewer and place them on the tray. Now repeat the process for the rest of the chicken pieces until they are all ready to bake. I'm going to add only 1/4 teaspoon oil to each chicken stick, and this is exactly why I would prefer making this tikka in the oven. Now once they are out, turn it again and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until it gets the beautiful brown on the top as well. The chicken is cooked through perfection and is slightly charred around the edges. That looks amazing. Now let's plate them. With the help of a fork, arrange the chicken pieces on the plate. Now before we serve, sprinkle some chaat masala and coriander leaves and serve it hot with some onion and green chutney of your choice. There you go, lovelies. Juicy, tender chicken cooked to perfection. So easy to make. I prefer making these in parties and I hope you do the same. Try this recipe at the earliest and surprise your friends and family. Do give it a try and let me know your experience in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification to stay tuned. Keep watching Cuisine and I'll be back again with an amazing recipe very soon. Until then, bye-bye.